In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase on PDFfiller. Now, the first thing you have to do up top, you want to go to Edit and Fill, and from here you want to click on Erase. Now, you have two different options here. The first one is the rectangular erase tool. So this is if you actually want to redact or erase an area. For example, if I want this gone, I can just left click and basically drag it out and release it, and there we go. That area has been kind of erased or redacted. Okay, so that's the first way. Now, the second way you can do is this simple erase tool. You can click on that, and this will allow you to basically just drag lines like this and then erase different things that way. This is usually going to be used for text and stuff like that, as you can see, and these are some easy redactions. Now, of course, you could go ahead and change how big these rectangles are in here so it's easier the next time you do it. So for example, like that, there we go. I can just one take this without having to do it 3 times, very easy. And then over here you can also change colors. Okay, so if you want to delete something or erase something from the background, then maybe you could do it like this. For example, I can go to color picker, pick this background color over here, and as you can see, it's now just going to blend in. So if I go and draw this rectangle over here like that, and I change the color to, for example, this one, there we go. It doesn't even look like there was anything on there. So that's basically how to erase on PDFfiller. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.